Hello, today I am showcasing our like-new refurbished Partner AT&T Series 2 digital phone. This phone is compatible with Partner, Partner Plus, Partner 2, and the Partner ACS processor. Included with the Partner AT&T Series 2, you will receive a handset, a base, a brand new line cord, and a brand new handset cord. We make sure each and every one of our like-new phones are thoroughly tested and cleaned before we put them in our customers' hands. Like the rest of our desktop products, this phone includes our Atlas 1-year warranty to give our customers the utmost confidence in us and our products.